Hey, friends. Ever stumbled upon something amazing, completely by accident? Well, that's called serendipity. And today, we're diving into some of the most incredible accidental discoveries that have literally changed our world. So, buckle up, this is going to be fun. Serendipity is like the universe's little surprise gift. It's when something unexpected happens, and suddenly, you find yourself with an awesome new idea, invention, or even a whole new way of seeing the world. First up, penicillin. The world's first antibiotic, discovered in 1928 by Alexander Fleming, thanks to a messy lab. Yep, Fleming left a petri dish of bacteria out, went on vacation, and came back to find mold had killed off the bacteria. That oops moment gave us the life-saving drug that has saved millions of lives since. Who knew being a little messy could save the world, right? Next, the microwave oven was invented because of a candy bar? Wait, what? Back in the 1940s, Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar technology, noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket melting while he was standing near a magnetron. Curious, he tried popping some popcorn with it. And boom! The microwave was born. All thanks to a sweet tooth moment. And let's talk about something we all use. Post-it notes. In 1968, a scientist named Spencer Silver was trying to create a super strong adhesive but ended up making a super weak one instead. His colleague, Art Fry, found a use for it when he needed bookmarks that wouldn't slip out of his hymn book. And voila, the Post-it was born, a staple in offices, homes, and hearts everywhere. So, the next time something doesn't go as planned, just remember, that's where the magic happens. Who knows, maybe you're just one happy accident away from the next big thing. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts and awesome discoveries.